Welcome to Florence, Italy, the cradle of the Renaissance and a city that's truly a work of art. Join us on a journey through Florence's timeless beauty, art, culture, and the experiences that make it a dream destination. Our adventure begins amidst the breathtaking beauty of Florence's historic streets. Immerse yourself in the grandeur of its art and architecture, wander through bustling markets, and savor the lively atmosphere of its charming streets. Behold the magnificent Florence Cathedral, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture. Step into the Uffizi Gallery, home to some of the world's most renowned works of art, including Michelangelo's David. Step into Florence's diverse neighborhoods, each with its own unique character. Stroll through the Oltrarno district, where artisan workshops line the streets, and experience the history of Santa Croce. Indulge your senses in the flavors of Tuscan cuisine, from mouth-watering pasta dishes to sweet gelato. Florence's culinary scene is a journey through Italy's rich food culture. Immerse yourself in Florence's rich cultural tapestry, where museums, churches, and galleries offer a glimpse into the city's artistic soul. Experience Florence's modern vibes as you explore its contemporary attractions and vibrant nightlife. From trendy wine bars to rooftop terraces, Florence comes alive after sunset. As the sun sets, Florence's skyline becomes a masterpiece in itself, casting a warm glow on the city's ancient streets. Join us in celebrating the magic of Florence, a city where art, history, and culture converge. Whether you're an art lover, a history buff, a foodie, or simply a traveler seeking inspiration, Florence promises an unforgettable journey. Hit that like button, share the adventure with fellow explorers, and subscribe for more captivating travel content.